These last few years, we have been dealing with supply chain shortages, delays, shipping issues, shutdowns, and empty shelves. These issues, coupled with lockdowns and ongoing uncertainty, have led to significant economic losses, permanent business closures, and an unsettling impact on job creation, family wealth building, and stability. This has been a rare and unprecedented challenge that has left no clear end in sight. This is why Made in America matters. It used to be that there was pride in what was made here. From the Industrial Revolution on, American made meant the middle-class American dream. The family unit with a purchased home, a skilled labor workforce that provided opportunity and upward mobility. These products were of high quality, and the engineering behind them revolutionized daily life and created new wonders of the world. From radios and automobiles to televisions and other technological advancements. Somewhere along the way, in my lifetime, that changed. Globalization and just-in-time manufacturing created opportunities elsewhere. As lower wage countries increased manufacturing, it suddenly became cheaper to put these goods on a boat and import them. There were good things that came along with this, but there were also some unintended consequences of lost jobs, lower quality, and longer supply chains. Education replaced skilled labor in the U.S., and white-collar jobs took over the landscape. We now have the skilled labor pool of baby boomers retiring with no one replacing them, and the consequences have been at times frightening. Over the past few years, the lengthy supply chains that have been disrupted by ongoing shutdowns have further compounded the situation. The unease and uncertainty surrounding the escalating tensions between Taiwan and China have made matters worse. The continuous threats from Beijing to forcibly unify with the island have put Asian manufacturing in an even more unreliable position. It doesn't have to be this way. This is why Made in America matters now more than ever.
We here at Barry Walters Senior Company believe Made in America matters so much. It's one of our 6 core values. Being a core value means that we aren't just paying it lip service. We base our decisions on it. We filter our vision with it. Our mission, our purpose is based upon it. It is who we are to our core.
This isn't an easy value to have. It requires a lot more investment than our competition. Investments in machinery and technology, investments in people and careers. It would be easy to hire unskilled labor and import product from other countries. But easy doesn't mean better. Easy doesn't mean right. We are committed to a more difficult path that allows us to serve our customer, the plumbing wholesaler, better than our competition.
American made means strengthening the American economy. With consumer spending accounting for 2/3 of our economic activity, each decision to purchase domestically manufactured goods asserts control over our economic future. Made in America Matters also means actively supporting American jobs. With about 35 team members, we know how important it is to grow our middle class. That is why we train on site. None of our machine operators had machining experience before they came to work with us. Made in America Matters means providing entry-level positions in skilled labor career pathways, which gives young adults the opportunity to enter the workforce without the college debt that is weighing down a large majority of our population. It signifies more than just a job. It means acquiring valuable skills while working and receiving fair compensation in return. In fact, it's not a job. It's a stepping stone to a fulfilling and prosperous career.
Whether it's manufacturing, CAD, coding, 3D printing, or even sourcing the items we need in our assembly processes, we understand that the American-made part is our ideal product to provide to our customer, the wholesaler. It doesn't mean we don't have items we import. It means that we try our best to make it here or buy it here when possible. we won't be declining in our manufacturing in years to come. We have added 2 new CNCs in just the last 2 years. And in the future, we hope to find more ways to make things here. So what does Made in America look like for us? Let us show you. It takes the technology of CAD and the skills of the CAD operator to put the geometries and tolerances on a mechanical drawing. It takes the knowledge and the skills of the machine operators to write the programs in G-code and M-code language to produce the program for the CNC machine to run. Scheduling, routings, and bills of material all need to be taken into account. Those materials are critical to the quality of the product we produce. But how effective is an American-made shop if the raw materials are stuck on a slow boat from China?
Made in America matters enough that even our raw material is from a domestic supplier. Here at Veal & Chase in Montpelier, Ohio, our raw brass is made with a quality and attention to detail that is second to none. Whether the 360 free turning brass for the non-potable water items or the 693 Eco brass for the potable lead-free items, we want the quality of the raw material to equal the craftsmanship of our finished goods. The team at Veal & Chase is as committed to Made in America matters as we are. Their no-compromise dedication to their craft is why their partnership is so important to us.
We use as much as 7,000 pounds of brass per week on our 15 CNC lathes to make all the stems, cartridges, fittings, and components that we provide our customers nationwide. The brass rod, the program, and the tools are all loaded and adjusted into one of our CNC lathes by our machinists to begin the production process.
Our commitment to Made in America Matters extends even further into our tooling. Whether it is turning or threading, drilling or tapping, broaching or splining those parts, we are fully committed to having the correct American tooling to start with. Whether Cleveland drills, Kennametal turning tools, Sheboygan taps, or Soma broaches, we use some of the best tools made here in the USA. Our production routings could include things like secondary operations, finishing and polishing, outplants like chrome and nickel plating, and assembly in our warehouse. All the things to ensure the highest quality parts are delivered to our customers. Our commitment to shortening the supply chain also includes recycling, to be mindful of our impact on the environment. The brass turnings from our machines get spun in a centrifuge, the cutting oil gets filtered and put back in the machines, and the scrap gets returned to Veal & Chase to be melted and drawn back into brass rods for us to use again. Everything we do here is so we can compete with the overseas market of replacement and repair parts. To be competitive with these overseas parts, we need to be efficient in our time, lean in our inventory, automated where we can be, and innovative in everything.
Companies like ours are helping prevent the extinction of American manufacturing in areas you might least expect it. Backing companies like ours strengthens the economy and supports American families by securing middle-class job opportunities here, in addition to encouraging the birth of more self-sufficient domestic companies in the future. As I said in the beginning, Made in America matters now more than ever.